Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up joystick analog key for FIFA 19 or FIFA 18 or FIFA 15, 16, whatever the game is. So first you want to do is go to this site x360ce.com and download the application from here. 32-bit or 64-bit, whatever you want, you can download. Then extract that file to our game folder. So I'm having FIFA 19 here. I'm extracted that file. This is that file. Okay, so make sure run as administrator, because it won't work unless you do. So here click next, go for finish. Okay, you check your game controller over here, click OK. Then if this button hold or is not showing, you can do a auto button over here. You can click this button, then it will come automatically, everything will fill up. Okay, now I can check that whether the analog button working or not. I can check every key. I can change the key position over here. So this is all proper. So make sure you can change these keys, because these are the representation of analog keys, axis X and axis Y. You can check it here, and if it's not working you can change it over here. Then go to game settings, then add and choose FIFA 19, click open. I'm already choosing FIFA 19 over here, and make sure to check all the 64 bits and start from here. Don't go from the application. You can start the game from here, then it will start work. I hope.